Safe Bitcoin in the house. FEG. Feed every gorilla. Here's the 12-hour chart. Okay, you can see, I mean, I told everybody to get into FEG like way down here. And it came up, and even if you had gotten in at the top of this run up here, it didn't matter because you still came up to a higher high here. Now, you can see that it bounced here off this moving average here and bounced nicely there. And it's probably gonna, either go up some more or it's gonna come down a bit and do another bounce off this. It could do that. It could go up some more and then come down and bounce. But that's what's happening with feed every gorilla. If you're holding, you're happy. Here's the 4-hour chart, and it almost looks like it might be coming back down for another bounce, and then who knows, another leg up. But it's if you're still holding, you're happy. Okay. So let's take a look at another one. Okay, so here's Safemoon. Okay, so you can see this is the 12-hour chart, and it's kind of come up, come down, and then like that. I'm thinking it might go like that. So it could come down even further, but it's hard to say. What I like about both of these tokens, the FEG and the Safemoon, is that they're deflationary tokens. Okay, so whenever somebody sells the Safemoon token, they got to pay a 10% tax when they sell. Okay, so 5% of that 10% tax goes, the tokens get distributed to the community, and then the other 5% gets burned or something like that, or put into liquidity. With the FEG, it's 2% tax. 1% goes to the community, and then 1% gets burned. So, FEG's gone up, and I think that, Safemoon should go up as well again. Safemars should go up. I mean, there's no guarantees. I mean, FEG is basically the original, so, and it's, it's got a smaller market cap, FEG, so it's got a lot of room to grow. I still think that this one is, has lots of room to grow, even though it's got a huge market cap compared to FEG. But I guess we'll have to see what happens. Is it going to go up? Possibly. Is it going to stay down there? Maybe. I mean, you can see over here, you can see how many trades are being made. I saw somebody do a $14,000 trade earlier. Somebody put a whole big chunk of money into it. But there's so much money in this thing. $14,000 doesn't make much difference. And anyways, so that's what it looks like. FEG and Safemoon. So Safemoon is now at 30 with a whole bunch of zeros in front of it, and it went up to 49 at the top. So it can still, it's more than likely going to bounce somewhere. How high is it going to go? I don't know. Is it going to pass the all-time high of 49? I don't know. I guess we'll just have to wait and see. I mean, if FEG can go higher, I think this one can go higher, because this one's a little bit, more extreme with the 10% tax. And I think that, I think it works pretty good for it. So give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of these technical analysis of FEG and Safemoon, to encourage me to do more of these two particular, tokens. If you really like these tokens, if you're into them, give me a thumbs up and I'll do more of them. Just let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button so you're notified right away of all my videos. You want to know right away of my videos? None of this is ever financial advice, by the way. Always check with your financial advisor before you make any financial decision, like whether you're getting into crypto. Your financial advisor will tell you probably stay out of crypto, okay? But maybe not. Check with him if he says it's okay to get into crypto. If he says it's okay to buy FEG, if he says it's okay to buy Safemoon, then go ahead. If he says stay away from those, they could scam out on you, you know, it's volatile, then stay out of them. Do what you're told. Okay? Ask your financial advisor about Bitcoin. You know, can you buy at least 1% of your financial portfolio into Bitcoin? Just say 1%, man. Can I put 1% in? Can I put 5% in? If he says yes, then go for 1% or 5%. If he says only put 0.5% in, then only put 0.5% in. If he says don't put anything in, don't put anything in. Okay, if he says he's got a nice mutual fund for you that's nice and safe, go with that. Okay, I want everybody to have a fantastic day.